Hey there! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a super cute Hello Baby Girl baby shower invitation. We'll go step by step, so if you need some design inspo, you're in the right place. First, we'll remove the current header and the illustration to start with a clean layout. Then head over to the text pane and pick a new style, looking for the perfect one. Okay, this one right here will work. Now let's edit it. Since this is going to be a Hello Baby Girl baby shower invitation, I'll go ahead and type in Hello Baby Girl. Next, I'll grab all of our text and move it to the left, placing it right under our new heading. Then I'll select everything and change the alignment to centered. Let's also adjust this paragraph so it fits better. I'm going to make it 2 lines instead of 3. I'll tweak the spacing between each section so everything feels a little more open. Now let's swap the fonts. I'm using Celestique script for a soft feminine look. After that, I'll adjust the sizing and spacing one more time to make sure everything looks balanced. Time to add an illustration. Go to Elements, then Illustrations, and search for Bear. I'm thinking something cute and pink for this theme. Yes, this one looks perfect. Let's add it in and move it to the right. Now let's play around with the colors. I think keeping everything in pink will tie the whole design together. Yep, this looks really cute. Lastly, I'll right-click and delete the background. You can leave it minimal like this, or add a soft pink background to finish it off. And that's it! A sweet, simple baby shower invitation that's easy to customize and perfect for your shop. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get inspired. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video if you want more design tips.